Our thermal luggage racks have long been a go-to storage solution for Polaris Slingshot owners, traditionally fitting models equipped with the squarish-style roll hoops. Now, we're excited to announce they're also compatible with the round roll hoops found on select Slingshot models. Each rack mounts securely to the roll hoops with the included brackets and hardware. An adjustable quick-release latch allows the rack to swivel outward for quick refueling or effortless loading and unloading. For even more flexibility, a release pin on the hinge lets you completely remove the racks when they're not in use. When it's time for that next road trip, the slotted base pan makes it easy to attach luggage straps and are a perfect fit for our EvolutionR Series luggage bags. Finished in a durable black powder coat, these racks blend seamlessly with your factory roll bars while standing up to the elements. Without further ado, let's walk you through installation on one of our shop Slingshots.
Before you begin, ensure that your bike is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and that your parking brake is engaged. Locate the bar clamps included with your kit. Please note that all 4 bar clamp brackets are identical. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws from one of the included clamps. Set the hardware and the curved portion of the clamp aside for now. They'll be used later to mount the luggage frame to the Slingshot. Grab the remaining square portion and orient it so that the angle on the outside of the clamp bracket matches the angle of the passenger side rack frame. The thicker portion of the bracket should sit at the bottom and taper upward to follow the shape of the frame. Slide a Starlock washer and then flat washer onto 2 of the provided screws from the kit. Insert the square bracket into the center of the frame, align the 2 holes, and thread in the screws finger tight. Then tighten them down using a 4mm Allen wrench. Repeat this same process to install the second square bracket on the opposite side of the rack frame. Remove the 4 screws from the clamp bracket with a 5mm Allen wrench. Add a Starlock washer, and then flat washer onto 2 of the provided screws. Keeping the bracket orientation in mind, line up the holes on the square bracket with the holes on the frame. Insert the screws finger tight, then tighten them down with a 4mm Allen. Repeat the same process to install the remaining brackets onto the second luggage frame. Moving to the right-hand side of the Slingshot, remove the 2 screws located here on the back side of the roll hoop cover with a T40 Torx wrench. As well as the 2 screws on the front side located here. Then, use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the 2 screws located here. With those removed, take off the roll hoop cover and both rubber grommets. Next, locate the right-hand side luggage rack frame and gently slide it over the top of your roll hoops. The right side can be identified by the locking pin holes facing outward. Take one of the curved bracket halves from earlier, line up the 4 holes to the square bracket, and loosely install all 4 screws. You want to leave these loose enough to allow the other side to align properly. Repeat on the opposite side. Attach the second curved half to complete the clamp. Now go back and tighten both sides evenly with a 5mm Allen, alternating between left and right to keep the luggage frame level as you torque it down. Once secure, reinstall the roll hoop covers along with both rubber grommets. Then reinstall the factory hardware. Lastly, install the right-hand side luggage rack by simply lining up the holes on the right side of the frame and slide in the locking pin. Ensure the rack can swing outward smoothly, then lock it into place. Please note that you can adjust the tension on the latch by adjusting the threaded position of the latch hook. Repeat these steps to install the luggage rack on the left-hand side.
And that's all there is to it, folks. With the thermal luggage racks installed, you're ready to hit the road with added storage and easy access whenever you need it. Whether you're running errands or heading out on an extended adventure, these racks keep your gear secure and your refueling stops quick and hassle-free. If you're ready to upgrade your Slingshot, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below to grab your set today. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our latest installs, tips, and product launches. Thanks for watching.